In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a Jotform. Whether you're doing it for work, school, or a personal project, submitting a form accurately is essential. And today I'll guide you through each step to ensure the process is as smooth as possible. First things first, when you want to submit a Jotform, you'll usually receive a link to the form, typically sent via email, shared through a message, or posted online. Once you have this link, simply click it to open the form. You'll be directed to the Jotform platform where the form is hosted. There's no need to panic if it looks different from what you're used to. Forms can vary in appearance and style, depending on how the form creator has customized them. Now, once the form is open, it's time to fill in the required details. Start by entering your personal information, such as your name and email address. These fields are usually quite straightforward, but it's important to pay attention to any asterisks or special markers as they indicate mandatory fields. Also, make sure to respond to all the required questions. There might be a variety of fields requested, from multiple choice questions to text boxes for more detailed responses. If the form requires you to upload files, such as photos, documents, or any other supporting materials, ensure these are clearly labeled and ready to be attached. After you've finished entering all your information, take a moment to review your answers thoroughly. Scroll back through the form to double-check everything. This step is crucial in avoiding any potential mistakes or missing information, which could lead to delays or the need to resubmit the form. Verifying each section helps to ensure that everything is accurate and complete before submission. When you're confident that everything is filled out correctly, it's time to submit the form. Locate the Submit button, typically at the bottom of the form. Clicking this button sends your responses to the form creator. It's important to note that there might be a short wait while your submission processes. Patience is key here. Once your form has been successfully submitted, you'll usually receive a confirmation message. This message might say something like, "Your response has been recorded." Seeing this confirmation is your cue that everything went through smoothly. It's always a good idea to take note of this confirmation for your records. And that wraps up the process of submitting a Jotform. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident navigating Jotforms in the future. Whether you're submitting just one or multiple forms, these steps will help ensure your information is conveyed accurately and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form submitting.